The voter fraud trial, not the only high-profile case happening right now at the Rensselaer County Courthouse. The Rosemary Crosier murder trial continued today. It started with one juror being dismissed for personal reasons, and that was only the beginning. Matt Markham has the story.
The prosecution made it look like Scott Chaplin intended to kill Rosemary Crosier in 1994 through testimony by this man, Lawrence Chamberlain, a man who knew Chaplin at the time of the murder.
There were also conversations where the defendant admitted that he knew she had, in his words, mad money.
But the defense said Chamberlain's history of drug use made him an unreliable witness.
While he's talking about a hit-and-run accident, he says, well, by the way, let me tell you about, come on, outright liar, scum liar.
The defense asked that his testimony be stricken, but only after the judge in the case warned the defense attorney not to make another comment out of line in the courtroom. It seemed that the judge was taking issue with comments that you were making.
Well, what was happening was he was pre-rehearsed by someone, and he was answering questions or saying things to questions I wasn't asking.
Several Troy police officers testified that some fingerprints and photos had not been taken at the scene of the murder when it happened.
Given what's occurred in this case with dedicated police officers over 18 years and the tremendous volume of evidence that has been obtained and secured, I think this was tremendous police work.
The lead investigator for the case took the stand this afternoon and described the scene where Rosemary Crosier was found, and that was too much for some of the people who loved her in the courtroom to hear. Police also said they never found the purse that belonged to Rosemary Crosier. According to Chamberlain's testimony, Chaplin told him they never would. At Rensselaer County Court in Troy, Matt Markham, CBS 6 News.